Not all foods are created equal. Some are just calories, others are fuel. Today we reveal 13 nutrient-packed superfoods that power your brain, protect your heart, and transform your health from the inside out. 1. Avocados. Creamy, rich, and full of heart-healthy fats. Avocados are more than just trendy toast toppings. They're packed with monounsaturated fats that help lower bad cholesterol and improve the absorption of vitamins A, D, E, and K. Add them to smoothies, salads, or eat them plain for a boost your body will thank you for. 2. Beans. Kidney beans, black beans, lentils. No matter the variety, beans are packed with fiber and plant-based protein. They stabilize blood sugar, support heart health, and improve digestion. They're also budget-friendly and endlessly versatile in the kitchen. 3. Blueberries. These tiny blue gems are antioxidant powerhouses. Blueberries contain anthocyanins, which fight inflammation and support brain and heart health. They're sweet, low in calories, and perfect for oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. 4. Chia seeds. Tiny but mighty chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and plant-based protein. Just 1 tablespoon delivers nearly 20% of your daily fiber. Add them to pudding, overnight oats, or sprinkle over cereal. 5. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is a lean, complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It builds muscle, boosts immunity, and keeps you full. It's simple, versatile, and easy to prepare without excess fat. 6. Eggs. Nature's multivitamin eggs are rich in protein, vitamin D, choline, and antioxidants. They support brain health, hormone function, and even your eyesight. Hard-boiled, scrambled, or poached. Just don't skip the yolk. 7. Fatty fish, salmon. Fatty fish like salmon are the gold standard for omega-3 fatty acids. They reduce inflammation, support brain and eye health, and improve mood. Even 1 serving a week can lower your risk of heart disease. 8. Leafy greens. Kale, spinach, collard greens. Their dark color means they're packed with vitamins A, C, and K. They support your immune system, bone health, and skin. Add them to smoothies, stir-fries, or simply sauté with garlic. 9. Lentils. Lentils are nutrition bombs. Iron, folate, magnesium, potassium, and fiber all in 1 small legume. They support energy, red blood cell production, and heart health. Plus, they cook quickly and absorb flavors beautifully. 10. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are low in calories but high in nutrients like selenium, potassium, and vitamin B2. They support brain health, immunity, and may even help reduce aging. Toss them into soups, salads, or stir-fries. 11. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts, cashews. Each nut offers a unique set of nutrients. From vitamin E to omega-3s, they're anti-inflammatory, heart-friendly, and great for your skin. Snack on them raw or add to oatmeal, smoothies, or baked goods. 12. Sweet potatoes. The vibrant orange of sweet potatoes comes from beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant. They're rich in vitamin A, fiber, and potassium. Great for eye health, digestion, and blood pressure. Roast, mash, or air fry for a delicious, nutrient-packed meal. Turn whole grains. Whole grains like quinoa, oats, and brown rice retain all their fiber, B vitamins, and minerals. They help regulate blood sugar, support digestion, and keep you full longer. Swap white rice for wild rice. Your gut will thank you. These 13 nutrient-dense foods aren't just good, they're foundational. Add them to your meals, rotate them in your snacks, and feel the difference. Your body is built by what you eat. Subscribe now for more practical health tips and start rebuilding your nutrition today.